several areas in Philippines, November 2023, where strong shock one country and everything in it.
Rainbow. Lulu. Oh my god. Oh my god. Run! Run the fuck up, bro. Second big. Run!
Almost zero visibility ng isang Gensan.
A powerful undersea earthquake of up to 7.2 magnitude has struck the Philippines today. The tremor, which lasts several seconds, occurred around 16 miles of Boreas at the southern tip of the archipelago, the U.S. Geological Survey said. Scientists said no high wave was expected, but residents were advised to be on alert for aftershocks and damage.
Sakyanan na pag isa sulod at
Radio announcer Lenny Aranego of General Santos City in South Cotabato said the strong earthquake cracked walls and toppled some computers from desks. Passengers at an airport in the city were evacuated to the tarmac. Footage on social media appeared to show some buildings being evacuated as well as crack forming on some routes. The power of the quake was put at between 6.7 and 7.2 magnitude by researchers. The most strong quake occurred in the southern Mindanao region at 4:14 p.m. local time. Although initially lodged as having a magnitude of 7.2, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology later downgraded the earthquake to 6.8 magnitude.
Oh my god.
Video shared by a local news outlet appeared to show people evacuating from floor of a shopping mall amid thunderous shakes in General Santos City in South Cotabato. Video posts on social media show ceilings falling at two large malls as pillars swayed. The SM City's General Santos Mall and Robinson's Gansan Mall announced temporary closures. Photos also show a collapsed roof at a school. Even in several other amateur videos, tidal wave can be seen hitting fishermen's boats which are placed on the edge of the beach. The residents were excited because the water suddenly rose to the surface. Luckily, this did not cause significant damage.
Grabe kakusog. So we have to go out. Nag-una na ang ibang team na nasa baba. Gisecure lang ako ang...
The Presidential Palace instruct government agencies to ensure the safety and well-being of everyone affected by the quake. Police chief of Coronadal City, near the quake's epicenter, said officials were checking a shopping mall reported to have been damaged. As per Philippine Seismology Agency, the earthquake lasted several seconds and advised residents to be on alert for aftershocks as strong as magnitude 6.2. Radio announcer Lenny Aranego in General Santos City said the quake damaged walls and toppled gadgets from desks. Until now, the authorities are still assessing the total damage suffered by residents as a result of the earthquake. His party continues to urge residents to always be alert because earthquakes are still occurring. Even though the strength corresponds to that the first earthquake, it is still categorized as dangerous. The Philippines Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said it happened at a depth of 6 miles. The Philippines lies on the Ring of Fire, a belt of volcanoes circling the Pacific Ocean that is prone to earthquakes.